Welcome to my vintage wonderland. Whether you're new to op shopping, or whether you've been op shopping for years, whether you love vintage or it's something new you want to start dabbling into, I'm going to show you how to embrace vintage garments, how to make them feel like you, how to wear them in the everyday modern world. When you discover that vintage piece, there's something so special about grabbing it, putting it on and giving it that use of life, saving it from landfill. Vintage pieces are so unique and they can be mixed and matched with your everyday clothing. Today I've got my 60s outfit and I've mixed it and matched it and made it look like me. Hi, I'm Antoinette. I'm from All About Style. I'm a passionate personal stylist. I love to help women dress with confidence, feel good within themselves. Most importantly, love what you see in the mirror. Now let's talk about vintage. What makes it so special? I love the fabrics. I love that individuality and I love to mix it with my everyday accessories. You're creating that individual outfit, but also you're saving that garment from being destroyed, from being in landfill, and you're joining the sustainable fashion. If you're someone that loves vintage clothes and loves to discover the essence of vintage and how it feels when you put it on, this video is going to be just for you. This is my vintage garments. The first era I want to show you is 40s to 50s. This beautiful two-piece. Have a look at the cut and the style of it. It's just beautiful. The fabric's all been stiffened to give it that stiffened look, and it's just lovely. It just floats. It can be worn to the races. So this is something I might wear to the races. So this one here, it's beautiful. It's 1950s and it's a flocked fabric. It's absolutely beautiful. It's typical 50s style dress, fit, flare and fabulous. This one here falls into the 60s era. So as we're coming into the 60s, this beautiful wool coat. It's just kept its shape, it's kept its colour, it's got the beautiful buttons. So buying vintage, it's the quality you're looking for in a garment that we really don't find these days. Isn't she beautiful? She's my latest purchase. The pattern of it, the cut of it, and it's quite a heavy fabric and it stood the test of time. This is an evening dress. I wonder who wore it and where it went. I wonder what theatre it might have gone to. Isn't it beautiful and sparkling? And the cuts again, and in absolutely perfect condition. As we're heading into the 70s era, this is just beautiful. The print, the fabric, the necklines, and the way it floats. It fits so many different body shapes. It's elegant. And I wonder where this was worn to. This is heading into the late 70s, coming into the 80s. It's off the shoulder. It's beautiful. It's soft and it's very nice soft print and it's kept really well. The elastic in it's kept beautiful. Different spin to the 70s. This is fun, colour. So pretty. The colour combinations, the fabrics have been matched up perfectly. It's got the matching belt. When you're looking for vintage, look at something that you would wear and think about where you're going to wear it. Isn't this divine? It's a beautiful faux fur, perfect condition. The lining's beautiful, the buttons, the collar, and the way it falls. It's just gorgeous. Now we're coming into our 80s era, and it can be teamed up with beautiful high heels, a nice gold bag, and big gold earrings. It's lovely again, beautifully made, so well kept, and it's all lined and stitched beautifully. Vintage Q. Look at this one here. It's our own Australian vintage Q. It's 1980s. It's lovely. It's soft. It just falls. It can be belted up. Nice pair of boots or high heels, and it can be worn anywhere. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. This is my Christmas dress. I wear it to Christmas parties. Absolutely love it. It's just gorgeous, so pretty, but the fabric's a little bit hot, but I still love it, and it's got the matching belt. This here is two vintage eras. It's 40s inspired, and it was made in the 80s. Isn't it lovely? It's sort of got that sheen about the fabric, the buttons down the front, the high collar and all the pin tucking. So much work has gone into it. It's really lovely. I wore this to a ball, so this is lovely. the 90s. Look at that, how cute is it? And the 90s inspired clothing are coming back in. So this is all cut on the bias on the cross. This is something that can be worn today and you wouldn't even know it came out of the 90s. Do you have some bags I wanted to show you? They are beautiful bags. Look at her, isn't she gorgeous? The leather on it is just impeccable. I just gave it a little bit of a polish and it come up beautifully. Isn't she gorgeous? She's beautiful. So I teamed them up with my dresses and something unique, something different. And don't forget, there's plenty of vintage jewellery that just might be for you, finishing off your outfits. And this is me, and this is my vintage Wonderland. You don't have to be walking out of a specific era. You don't have to dress in all 50s or all 60s or all 70s. You can create that individual look for you. Put on a modern day pair of boots, but pair of vintage earrings and a vintage dress, all from different eras, and create a style that suits my personality, my lifestyle, and where I'm going. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you share it with your friends, someone that might love vintage and loves op shopping, and make sure you check out my All About Style YouTube channel. My styling tips will be able to help you.